Simon Cudby from Upshift Online. We are down here just south of Ensenada. It's day one of the 2018 Baja Rally.
What's up, guys? I'm marking my road book for the first time in like 5 years, and just having some fun out here at Baja Rally, kind of just warming up, and gonna do some prologue here, and we'll see how it goes.
The place is Coco's Corner, senor.
Awesome.
I've been here 25 years, and I started here, this house here, on 1 peso in my pocket. 1 peso Mexicano. And look in here. I make it no lace, I make it my house, I put up the fence.
The legend.
And
Coco, how you doing?
My whole goal for this trip was to, 1, ride motorcycles on the beach, 2, sit at the beach, drink beer and eat tacos, and I think we're going to knock both of those off the bucket list this afternoon.